Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
We're here with Jim from Process Evolution. Jim, thanks for coming on the show, mate.
No problem at all.
Excellent. Now, you're a member of Robotics Australia Group, so I wanted to stop by and see what you guys are working on.
Yeah,
this palletising solution looks pretty awesome.
Yeah,
Why don't you give us a bit of a rundown on what you guys are doing here?
Yeah, so this is one of our standard palletising solutions. This is something that we've just sort of brought out to market recently.
Yeah.
And the whole reason behind this is to get automation into places that didn't think they could afford to automate.
Yeah.
So this is a pretty good sort of starting point for somebody manufacturing and putting things on pallets.
Nice. It's pretty compact. I can see, like, so you basically just drop the pallet in there and away you go.
Yeah, that's right. So you can do single-sided, or you can do double-sided.
Yeah.
And a unique solution that we've come up with, we've got a portable solution where you can wheel it around from line to line.
Okay.
The guarding rapidly redeploys and you're up and running within a few minutes.
Yeah.
And what that does, it just maximises the utilisation of the investment. Some of our customers aren't manufacturing on that same production line 100% of the time, so being able to move it from line to line has been a pretty good selling point. People are showing a lot of interest in it.
Okay, yeah, and it seems to have pretty good reach too.
It does. So yeah, so it will do your standard 1200 by 1200 pallet. It will do both sides. This model here has a 50 kilogram payload. Yeah. So we can do one heavy box or multiple lighter boxes, which increases then the throughput of the palletising cell.
Yeah, nice. I love the branding on this as well. It looks amazing. Looks like the user interface looks pretty good. Is it pretty simple to program up with different carton sizes and things?
Simple to program. You don't have to be a robot programmer. We can have somebody trained up within an hour.
Okay.
It's got pre-configured pallet patterns.
Yeah.
You can create your own pallet patterns. It's very, very intuitive and easy to use.
Yeah, nice. And the safety looks really nice. Leica in here looks nifty. There's a few around here that are kind of missing a bit of that we were talking about yesterday around the safety.
There is a few that are missing the point, but that's our point of difference. We bring these in, we make sure that they meet all the Australian standards, wiring codes, all the safety standards. So we stand by these products and make sure if they're going to go into your site, that the proper risk assessments have been done and they meet all the standards.
Yeah, cool. And what other sort of products are you guys working on at the moment? Is it mainly in the palletising space?
No, so we, over the last 10 years, we've been traditionally known for bespoke automation, anything industrial automation. If you can't find a solution off the shelf somewhere, we design and build something to suit. Yeah. But just over the last sort of 12 to 24 months, we've just started bringing out a few sort of more standard types of solutions to the market. Oh, yeah. This being one of them. We also do like a flexible capping machine. We're well known for pail filling lines. Yeah. But we also do other palletising solutions as well, so more higher speed, bespoke industrial palletising cells. Yeah. But we thought we'd bring a more standard solution down to the show, and
it makes sense. So you standardise it, make it sort of easy to set up, easy to use. Less time to set up, less cost to get it established.
That's right. And it's amazing how many people have come past and looked at this and said, "Oh, this is beyond us. Maybe in future." Yeah. But when we actually sort of break it down for them and let them know what the investment is, they're quite surprised. So the whole reason for, I guess, all this is to get automation into a lot more smaller businesses and hopefully help them grow. Yeah.
Well, that's what we're trying to do at Robotics Australia Group, to raise the profile, get automation adopted. It's just challenging, isn't it? So anything you can do in that space.
That's right. So just trying to get automation out there basically, and hopefully help a lot of Australian manufacturers do well. And remain competitive.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, excellent. Well, thanks for coming on the show, mate.
No worries. Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul.